It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, the 15th of October. I'm James Spann. The long-awaited cold front comes in here late tonight. That's going to set the stage for the coolest air so far this season over the weekend and early next week. Here we go. This is the upper air look. That big trough in the western states is progressive, gradually moving our way. That'll be pushing the front in here late tonight, but still ridging in place today. That was the radar early this morning. A little before 5 o'clock, had some rain over parts of West Tennessee and North Mississippi. The bulk of the day should be dry for Alabama. There could be a few showers up over the northwestern corner of the state, but most of the activity will be in here tonight, really late tonight. And there's your cold front. You can see the shades of blue behind the front with 30s and 40s. In advance of the front, we have 60s and low 70s early this morning. That front lined up from near St. Louis down to Oklahoma City and around Midland, Texas. There's the watch warning map across the country. Got some freeze warnings for some of the central and northern states and a few areas with fog advisories here across the south central states, but things pretty quiet. Along the front later today, we could see a few strong to severe storms from near Little Rock and Memphis up to Buffalo. And that risk kind of clips the northwestern corner of the state, the marginal risk. But again, they will be weakening rapidly as they move in here. And really, for most of the state, just a weakening band of showers late tonight. Tomorrow, a marginal risk over the northeastern states with the front. And day 3, Sunday. Much of the country in very cool, stable air. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The west is relatively dry, except for the immediate northern Pacific coast. Down here, the amounts could be around 1 inch for the Tennessee Valley and under a ½ inch elsewhere. And again, we'll see the showers late tonight. Next chance of rain will be toward the end of next week. In the tropics, very, very quiet in the Atlantic Basin. That little feature out in the central Atlantic drifting eastward, that will not develop. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. There's your big trough. Cold front coming, approaching Memphis. You can see the thickness lines stacked tightly behind the front. That's the cool air rushing in. Let's go to the high-res NAM. This is this evening at 7 o'clock. And again, there could be a few showers over the northwestern corner of the state, around the shoals. But for most of Alabama, the day will be dry today and warm. Highs in the 80s again. This is 11 o'clock tonight. Showers along the front over northwest Alabama. Again, places like Russellville, Hamilton, the shoals. The rest of the state still dry. So for the high school football games tonight, most stadiums dry. This is 3 a.m. after midnight. Showers roughly along Interstate 59. They'll be weakening, not much rain. And then by 7 a.m. tomorrow, it's all gone. And that cool, dry air is rushing in. The day will be sunny, breezy, and cool with a high 67 to 70. This is Sunday. We start the day well down in the 40s. And again, we might even see upper 30s in a few spots. The high Sunday, again, 67 to 70, just perfect fall weather. And that'll be the case for at least the first half of next week. Here's Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. Sunny, pleasant days, clear, cool nights. Highs in the 70s, lows 40s and 50s. Thursday, we're still dry. And a week from today, Friday the 22nd, got a deep upper low northeast of the Great Lakes and another cold front pushing in from the north. And that will bring some chance of showers, but probably nothing too heavy. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday, October 24th. Again, heights a little below average, and that looks dry and pleasant. Rain for Birmingham for the rest of October, not a lot. The mean about 1 inch. Coming off the European ensemble. One more day with 80s today. After that, highs in the 60s and 70s and lows in the 40s and 50s for a while for the next 10 days. And the CPC outlook, this is for October 22nd through October 28th. Temperatures here at average values if this verifies. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog, just one video per day. I'll post some new forecast notes this afternoon. Evan Chickvera will be filling in for me tonight on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. I'll be back in full service on Monday. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, be prepared, not scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, prepared not scared. Get your kids a copy today.